You may not be ready for hurricane season, but the storms won't wait.
We've already seen with a couple storms already that have fortunately developed close enough to the coast where it hasn't affected us. I think we're going to have a pretty active season.
In recent years, many on the coast have seen storms getting worse, which means more damage and more flooding.
But it's certainly a time to plan and make sure that you're aware of, your insurance coverage and make sure it's up to date. Those sorts of things are things to think about in advance of the storm rather than after the fact.
In terms of homeowners insurance, the state insurance commissioner advises looking at what's important to cover, things like furniture and appliances. You should also review whether your coverage would buy you a new appliance, for example, or just give you replacement value of your old one. Remember, a homeowner's policy is not the same as a flood policy. Only a flood policy covers damage from rising water. Flood maps in Chatham County changed about 2 years ago, so you may be required to buy a flood policy now.
There's a 30-day wait normally for flood insurance, and now if it's a condition of closing, the coverage is immediate when you close, but you've got to take into account the 30 days if you're not required to have it by your mortgage company.
State Farm Insurance agent Pat Parker says he does recognize some people may be overwhelmed right about now.
So I can't imagine going through what we've been through before with Matthew and have to deal with a COVID situation at the same time.
But he does say we can still look at what we need to do for the future.
Nobody should let COVID keep them from planning for these types of things.
Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3 on your side.